70-year-old Rita Towsey died of breast cancer 6 years ago. She didn't receive a letter asking her to go for a final screening, and her son Lee wants to know why.
My mum, and there are hundreds of other women, or thousands of women that are affected by this, and other families that are affected, and I want to know who's responsible. Yesterday I would have quite happily heard, yes, she's on that list, I'm really sorry. But today I want to find out who's responsible, who did it, and what they're doing about it.
Earlier, he called the helpline to find out if she might have been one of the 270 women whose life may have been shortened. He's sure she'd still be here today if she'd had a final scan.
Really let down, really let down. I didn't only lose my mum, I lost my dad as well, because my dad died 2 years afterwards of a broken heart. He couldn't bear being without my mum. He never went back into the front room ever again, and he died 2 years later.
Yesterday, it emerged a computer failure occurred between 2009 and January of this year. Around 450,000 women are thought to have missed out on their final routine breast screening because letters weren't sent out. It affected those aged between 68 and 71 during that period.
Total horror. Just couldn't believe what I was hearing.
Breast cancer killed Brian's wife, Trixie Goff. She was 76 and missed her children's weddings and the birth of her great-granddaughter. Her death has devastated the family.
She's never been angry in her life. She was always a very happy person. And I think she would have been disgusted the way that she's been let down. And of course, she's one of the unfortunate ones. She's lost her life. And the only thing we can do now is hope that they can find out who, why, where and when as quickly as possible.
Public Health England say they found out about the error in January, but ITV News understands a number of regional cases were uncovered last year but not flagged up nationally. It means some women could have been checked sooner.
If there were cases coming to light much earlier than January this year, we have to ask the question, why wasn't there action taken sooner? So of course the inquiry will have to look at all that and learn the lessons so that we can be confident that this kind of thing isn't going to happen again.
That is what the Goff family want too. They, like hundreds of others, have been left wondering whether the future might well have been different. Emily Morgan, News at 10.